Ooh. When I say I'm gonna do Watch Dogs 2, I mean I'm doing Watch Dogs 2. Oh, seizures thing. If you experience seizures, get out. Yes. Oh, they already know my name. Okay, yep, I'm Retro. Put my password. I love how the logo is the same, but just a 2. So, well, it has a little bit of spray paint. Alright. Oh, yep. Hold up. First, let me check out these settings. Oh, this looks good. What am I doing? Oh, gameplay. No. Display. Okay, I'm going to assume that subtitles are automatically on. Okay, I just want to make sure subtitles are on. Oh, audio? Here we go. Oh, see? The games already know. Okay. I'm gonna check the online preferences. Actually, wait, I should just... Hey! Okay, alright. We need this premium content, because you already know it. Huh? I mean, yeah, I guess it just came out today. Just came out today. I'm already signed in to the Ubisoft Club. I'm sorry I'm not playing right away, it's just... There's so much stuff to check out. Wait, do I have to sign in? I'm not trying to sign in. If I was sign in, I'm just gonna screw it. Hey. Bro, it seems like it's fire. Oh yeah, I am signed in. Oh, yup. Can I get any items? No, I guess I can't. Alright. Enough of this. Let's play the goddamn game. You can change the difficulty level. Okay. Alright, that's cool. I'm assuming it's on normal. It's San Francisco, y'all. Wait, it's really gotta load? Oh, okay, it's going. I was about to say, I'm not about to wait for all this. I can't wait. Where's my water? Calling the police on enemies with the AFB research hack is a great way to remove the attention from yourself. Oh. What's up with that skeleton right there? What the heck? Spooky, scary skeletons. You can call the police on someone? That's interesting. You can do that before. Come on, game. I hate it when things do this. Look, it's there. Oh my god. Bloom, CTO server from San Francisco. I guess I was saying that. Okay.
Consider this your 10-sec initiation, Retro.
Oh, I'm playing?
Permission, should you choose to accept it. Is to bypass Bloom security doors and get inside.
Yeah.
Then find and erase your personal CTOS profile.
Where's hacker mode?
Whatever they have on me, it's all bullshit. And I'm sick of getting harassed for it.
All the
For
more
real?
reason for a purge. We'll be watching.
Try to keep up.
By the way, we put this playlist together to set the mood. Hope you like it.
Oh yeah, they already know. All right, well, I'm already in hacker mode. Hey. Oh, that's his account. Oh, I have to hold L1 for hacker mode? Okay. Wait, what did I just do? Oh, did I hack him? Okay. Oh, whoops. Oh, I'm strapped. Okay. Is this silenced? Because I thought stops, dude. Blah! Oh, it's a stun gun. Okay, that's cool. How do I get out of sneak mode? I have to stay in sneak mode. Okay, got his money. Oh, press circle to melee enemies. How do I get down from here? I'm already stuck and I'm just getting over here. Oh, here we go. Hold circle. Can I do something with that guy? That's weird. What the heck? I have to hold L1 to hack. This music is... Oh, crap. He saw me. Boy. Get... Huh? Oh, crap. I didn't know you were a student shooting at me. Go move. Oh, it's my only weapon. It's a stun gun. I'm not about to fail the first mission. I am not failing the first mission! Okay, go to cover. Go to... Turn... Get this right here. Okay. Boy, sit down. Okay, I'm in... They're in searching it. Okay. Slowly. Alright. Slowly but surely make sure there's no guards around. They like stealth and watchdog, so what is this? Parts? E-reader, I don't know what that is. Kindle e-reader? Oh, is this my first hacking mission? How do I what did you see that? Ooh! What? Hold up. What is that? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh, profile. Okay. This stuff was some previous game. I can do this. I have gotta get used to that, holding L1 to hack stuff. Alright.
He's not getting away.
Hold triangle to disable closed circuit. What? Oh, whoa. I'm holding triangle. Is this not it? Oh, I was holding L1. Oh, so I sound like a CTLS. Okay. Oh! My boy backflipped off the building. Oh no. Whoa. What? Tap. Okay. They got a lot of options.
You're wasting your time.
Yeah.
He's not in.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So that's him.
He's got a gun. Is that a problem?
It's a stun gun.
Problems are why you keep me around, right?
Time him. I'm curious.
Too late. He's in.
Already?
No synonyms either. Give me a real answer.
Just not that into aliens. Video games.
It's not just any alien.
It's, oh, come on. Anyone else having a problem with their phone? Ooh, what? Oh, God. Oh, God.
Look, great security. Dang.
Who is he?
It's... Retro.
The home domain awareness hacker? That retro?
Yes. We told you that already?
Yeah, I never listened.
Okay. Find the access key to unlock. So this is net hack. Right, hack the cameras. Right. Attends beatniks games. This game's kind of small for me. Interested in the parent role. Okay. I did this stuff. Oh, no. You're supposed to press L1. Okay. What? Oh, okay. I'm learning it. Now I can open this. There we go. I'm learning it. I'm learning. Alright. Then what does Square do if it doesn't hack
So
everything?
what's his deal?
He was raised in Oakland, but was born in.
San
His
Fran.
deal is, he's been hanging around the DedSec IRC, and he's got crack. Figured we'd give him a test drive.
On the
Oh.
hardest difficulty. Nobody's been able to delete their CTOS profile before.
I want to see if he's smart, stubborn, or both.
I scanned him. Does that work? Oh, here we go. Money. I have to scan with the camera. Okay. Uh-oh. They saw me. Don't trip. Are they coming for me? They're coming for me. Where's my gun? Okay, get out of this.
Doesn't have to be like this.
Sit down. Good night. Can I pick that up? I have to fight them all? Oh, come on, bro.
Get yourself a throwing grenade. Grenade.
I hate to go. No.
Watch your back.
Okay. I can't just do one stealth mission without. Ah, crap. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna have to fight everybody. Okay, my boot's booking it. Sit down. Where are you going? Oh, what the? What's my objective? Should I book it? Okay. Let's go in here. Oh, I'm escaping. What? I can't go in here. No! Invisible wall. Oh, it was no. It's in the same room, is it? The second floor. I'm just trying to shut down the server tower. It doesn't say I have to do it stealthily. I should say hidden while I'm in escaping mode. Okay. I'm done. Okay, where's the server tower? It's up there. So I've got to get to... That's like the 5th floor, right? It's not...
What the hell?
What? They didn't see me. It looks open. Okay, they're searching. Okay, I just gotta go up the stairs and I'm good. Alright. It shouldn't be too difficult. Just chill out. Okay. Ah, crap. Take a minute, boy. Let's go. Triangle. Yup, you see him? Beep boop beep boop.
Done this before. CTOS
All I gotta
tagged him as a
say
prime
here.
suspect in a high-tech burglary. So,
He's done time?
community service. Not enough evidence. Just the word of CTOS's predictive algorithms. Once in the system,
Always in the system.
Yeah, they already know me. I've been in the.
holy shit! He went for it.
You won't have much time before the backups kick in.
They want me to climb inside the server tower. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna go to the top floor. Okay, it's right over there. Okay. No! Ah, my god. I didn't realize that was. All right. Where do I go then? Okay. What's this dude talking about? Is he reactivating servers? Huh? Oh, it's a latch. Hello? Thank you. Oh, I gotta hold it.
He's going in the hot aisle.
He's going down there? I know you ain't going down
At
there.
least 100%
Boy, you ain't Superman.
Give the man props. He's going the mile.
What the heck? Oh, that was a... Night of the Dead Sec. Watch him close the latch on him. Alright, he got out. This time. Now I gotta escape.
Nobody's gotten
Nope.
that far. This is like the secret cow level.
Okay. So I need to get in there, and to do that, I need to go down one level. What's those things right there? Oh, there's cameras. Okay. Okay, I don't want to go down that. Should go down the stairs, right? Okay, just being careful. Open that door. Alright, he doesn't see me. Bad guard. In this. Alright, we got a puzzle. What? Okay. Hack. What? What? Oh! What? No way! You gotta do it like in the real world? Oh, that's crazy. Okay. Huh. A lot of changes and a lot of similarities in the same, like... Pyruma. My boy's 24.
Why's my threat so high?
My boy not employed. Like he's born in LA? Oh, I got my bad. No, look at this info. Anime hardcore. What the?
This is bullshit.
Arrested, flagged, arrested. How do they get arrested multiple times? Or are they putting up fake information?
Or I could just...
Yeet! 42%? Eh, better than before. Delete profile? Yeah, why not? You know me. Create a new one. Oh, what the? Anarchist, boycott. Oh, I remember that CEO. Oh, I need that game reviewer? Genius IQ. Meatpacker nude model. Only drinks water. Oh, there's so many. Okay, that's it. Who should I be? Should I be the prostitute? Alright, let's go to CEO, cause you know I'm all about that business.
Just gonna drop a little backdoor into the system so I can get back inside later. Sorry, Bloom. We've got unfinished business.
Oh.
He's heading
And-
out. Bag him.
Yep.
Curve him. I gotta escape now.
We got an intruder. Lock down the exit, then send someone to check him out.
Alright, let me just... When targeting, hold L1 to open the hacking module and then press X to trigger object function. Square is proximity trigger. Triangle shut down object function for a few seconds. Circles to attract people toward an object. I got you. Here, dude. Huh? What the heck? Why is there a force field? Can I just pop this dude? Where's my weapon? Oh, I can't. Oh, attract dudes. Okay. Dang, my dude just ate it. Give me that money. Pop in his headphones, yep. Alright. Wait a minute. I missed. Wait. Oh, this one is the second floor. Okay. There's a dude coming down the stairs. Okay, activate that. Do you want me to go up? Okay, no, do you want to go down? Oh crap, they saw me. I'm thinking about just booking it. Okay. Oh, F this, I'm gonna hold circle. Okay. But, dude, jump over that. Or don't. Oh crap, just give him that work. You catch them hands? Alright, just charge him, charge him. Ah, huh? What the? Oh, crap. Oh, no, don't jump over. Oh, no. Press X. Okay. They called reinforcements on me? Oh, no. Shut the door. Shut it. Oh. Where's the tower basement? Okay. Did I shut the door on myself? Okay. No, wait, over here. Right here. No? Okay, I should just hide. I need to go lower? Okay. Wait, no, I'm just gonna stay here, I'm not gonna risk it. Is CTOS 2. Oh no, this is the second floor. We're still in CTOS 2.0. Okay. Alright. Oh, yep. Okay, open it. Go, hurry up. This guy cannot run for crap. Alright, they don't know where I am. I'm out of here. Oh, you know your boy.
Hold it right there.
Help him.
Where the fuck I'm gonna go?
Yeet! What a savage.
Fuck you, Bloom.
Oh, he literally meant bag him. Oh.
In 2013, Chicago realized the promise of smart cities with CTOS, a citywide
Watchdogs.
operating system merging big data with surveillance, security, and transit programs. With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid. Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, CTOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States, ushering in the Internet of Things. 6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant.
Oh, that's nice.
Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles, and home security systems give corporations a window into your private life. Control of your vehicle and mobile device can now be breached remotely by anyone at any time.
Sweet.
You may think that you are immune or underestimate the risk, but your digital shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use algorithms to monitor your life habits and limit or deny coverage. Health providers determine if your cancer is worth treating. Search results and news feeds are skewed to bias mood and influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale. You are now less valuable than the data you produce. This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers, activists, and hackers have drawn their battle lines, putting the establishment on watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense? Freedom's last line of defense.
Oh. What's good?
So, am I in?
Welcome to DedSec.
Yup. This dude dies. What happened to him?
I'm Satara.
Right.
This sweetheart is Josh, aka Hot Sauce.
Okay.
Yo, you're hot sauce? Yeah, man, I loved your frat house hat. Real talk.
Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench.
Yo, dude. Oh, that dude, he's like cool.
Casanova is Horatio.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
Okay. Wait, that's it. Okay.
It's the crew, huh?
Yep, squad.
Took y'all long enough to come get me. Shit.
It's the Bay Bridge. I'm kidding.
CTOS
Golden
isn't
Gate.
just regulating infrastructure. The amount of personal data that thing is collecting is fucking mind-blowing.
Yeah. It's Big Brother and Little Brother all rolled up into one. Huh?
Sees everything you do and tells on you.
Thank you, Josh.
So what's the fix?
Sledgehammers and fire. No, sledgehammers on fire.
All
Chill.
of that data in one place means they can reject your fucking application before you click on it.
Congratulations, you have been pre-rejected for a credit card.
Or your house or your insurance.
That's not even the worst case scenario. All that data in the hands of the government?
Oh
They'll arrest you
no.
for shit before you even do it.
Yeah,
Right?
I've been there. Now I fucking know why. Man, fuck it! Fuck it, man. We're hackers. We outthink, we out dare.
My controller died. This one's dead too. Okay, hold on. I got a charger.
What Bloom's up to, man? Show the world that their personal data is being used to rob them of their fucking freedoms. Fuck.
Play charger.
Door, so all we gotta do is walk right through.
There. It's charging. What the heck? He's like in circles.
We installed the back door, so all we have to do is walk through.
Bingo.
I love how his eyes changed.
Hey, man. Do you have the time?
Oh, yeah, man.
I got it.
What
Kinda
the?
late for a night run, isn't it? Hey, what are you running from the cops?
Maybe I am one.
Boy, if you don't.
You look familiar.
No, you don't.
Have a good party.
King, this motherfucker.
Boy, sit down.
Fuck you, Bloom.
Yeah, that's all Bloom's fault. That's the end of the cutscene. Yay.